Welcome back to another video. Today I will be playing helicopter escape or heli escape. And also, I want to say something that I apologize for not making a video for a very long time. It's because I've been having fun, for that holiday, long holiday. So I've been having fun until I forgot to make a video. And also, I was actually collecting a lot of guns, so that's why I don't make videos. I just kind of collect all these guns. So that's why I don't make a video for a very long time. So hope you guys forgive me for not making a video for in a very long time. So hope you guys forgive me, and yeah, just go play this game. It's so fun. I'm addicted to this game. Like, so addicted. This is like my new favorite game. I literally play every single day. Like, every single day, non-stop. Like, non-stop. Like, every single day. Every time I wake up, I literally play this game. I'm so addicted to this game. Like, I don't know why it's so cool, but for me, it's so cool. But I'm not for everyone else. So, but if you guys really want, but, I think what I've already just found it, dude. It's called heli escape. And it's so cool. And might as well you guys also maybe get addicted to this game. It's called heli escape. So yeah, so cool. It's like my best game in the world. And I'm in my kitchen filming. Yeah, I'm in the kitchen. Okay, let's go watch. Get this. Let's go get it.
Stop playing goddamn fake cash games. They cannot withdraw money at all. Absolutely fraud and waste of your time.
This is fake. This is absolutely fake. Dude, it's really fake. I don't trust any of these things, Because who knows if it's just a scam. Who knows if it's just a scam. So, I mean, if you guys want to download it, download it. But for me, I don't trust this. So just skip, I guess. Oh god. Okay, can I skip now? Okay. Back. Yeah, we have a new skin again. I need to get this. Go watch out. Bleach is a new game. I don't like anime. Is it anime? I don't know. Yeah, Bleach. Bleach, is that the name? Bleach or Bleach or Blotch? I don't know. Wait, can I get one? Wait. Oh man, I don't have enough. I mean, I have enough to buy this red minigun thing that have the color and the skins. But I need 25 of this setting looking thing. I only have 19 apparently, so I have to get more by playing this game or this event. Yeah, it's event. Yeah, this event where you can get a lot of setting looking thing looking. I don't know what's called. Okay, so I only have 19. I need to get 25 to buy that minigun thing. So I don't know. Shield, please. Shield is useless. I guess. Oh god, you noticed me. Yes, I'm gonna try to get every headshots. Boom. I don't care if I get a bomb though. What the heck? Ooh, headshot. No, I died. Okay, maybe shield is useful. Let's go restart battle. Restart the level. The heck? No, Patrick is dead. Patrick, no. Oh, shit, that's funny. Patrick, death. What is this? I can play this game. Oh, I can play it. Okay, this sucks. Okay, it's boring also though. Let me just try without shield again. Headshot, baby. Boom. It's not headshot though. Boom. Oh, I almost got them. Boom. Let's go. Yeah. Oof. He oofed out. I don't know why I still shoot the bomb even though it's far away. but maybe it's just like this guy. Comment down below if you guys like destructions. I hate destruction. I mean, I do like to destroy stuff. I like to destroy stuff. That's what I'm born for. So the key is is this a boss? Wait, don't they have boss? Die. Headshot. They have boss in this event? I thought they don't have bots, they just have this bot, like the robots. But I guess I was wrong, they also have bosses. Yes, I get this weird setting thing for this. I'm gonna buy that. My brother say this one, the right or left thing, that is 3,001 or 3 million, is really strong. Some bomb gun or grenade launcher or whatever you want to call it. Oh man, we bleach at again. Bleach or blatch or I don't know how to say it. I'm in the kitchen filming these. Yeah, I have nowhere else to film probably because everywhere is noisy. My brother's just so noisy stuff and yeah, this is the only place that I can find peaceful stuff. It's the kitchen. So I'm really filming, playing Heli Escape in my kitchen. Because this is the only place that is quiet and everyone is noisy. Except this place that is apparently not noisy and it's peaceful to play quiet like this. Oh god. Oof. So I like to play peacefully. I hate to play really noisy because it's so annoying and to hear all that. Okay, no peace. No. I don't like it. Ooh, let me try to trick this guy from here. What about this one? No, yes. Wait. There's one more. Oh. Ooh, killing speed. Wait, I haven't killed. Oh, I already killed it. No, I almost shoot the hostage. Oh, I think I just saw a bomb. I definitely saw a bomb. Is that a bomb? Okay, wait. Boom! Double kill headshot thing. Yep, that was a bomb. Yeah, destruction. I like that. That's what I'm going for. Money, I want money. But just disappear. I guess I have to collect the money, right? ATM. Let me rob the ATM or bank. Oof! All the pussy just fell down. Did I win? Or did I not? Is there more? Oh, I did win. Yay! Problem solved. Event 1, 2, 4. I don't know, what am I doing? Wait, is it enough? Ooh, it's a Rolls Royce.
Memainkan game Anda menghasilkan banyak uang, bukan? Mainkan selama 10 menit setiap hari dan Anda akan mendapatkan sejumlah uang tunai. Apakah ada iklan? Saya berjanji.
Pemain tidak perlu menonton iklan apapun di game kami.
Apakah sulit menarik uang?
Anda tidak perlu melakukan itu.
Berapa banyak Anda menang?
Kami akan langsung membayar ke GoPay Anda. Teman saya,
Unduh Raja Koin melalui video ini sekarang.
Anda bisa langsung mendapatkan hadiah untuk bonus pemain baru.
Anda akan mendapatkan uang dalam waktu 30 detik.
Di bawah ini adalah satu-satunya tautan resmi. Cukup ketuk tombol unduh di bawah dan dapatkan uang Anda sekarang juga.
I don't think that is even real. Look, it's just weird. I don't even have PayPal. Or this Dana thing. I don't know. I don't even have those. It's fake. Don't trust any app like this. Only trust. Wait. I don't have enough again. Oh man, I don't have enough. I'm gonna get more. More and kill more humans. Or robots. I'm gonna fart. Okay, never mind. Let's go kill more of these robot men. Die. I'm playing the event, by the way. The event that is a bomb. What, the guy just sit in the toilet? Damn it. What did it just now? Boom. Oh, I didn't hit this one. Wait for him to get out. Okay, no. Wow. Another boss. Ooh, headshot. My bullet just went through him. Oh, what the f... He doesn't know me, even though he got shot a couple times. Oh, that sounds hurt. Ooh, their soldier really sucks at shooting. They really sucks. I'm not gonna lie, they really sucks at shooting. Die. Oh, triple kill. Almost got a triple kill there. What's the bomb there? Oh, that was so cool. Wait, I might have enough. Wait. Please have enough, dude. What is this? Isn't it cool? Maybe I make a video of this game. I don't know. Oh no. Ow! Phone just fall down. Dude, you're so dumb. Dude, go to 10. What the heck are you doing? Go to 10. You really suck at this game, dude. Times 10, dude. They will give you more. Don't. No. Yes. Yeah. Oh god, no. Yeah, I'm just playing it. Okay, I just exit. Wait. Yes, I have enough. And I just waste all my money for a gun. I got a grenade launcher. Okay, I'm bored playing the event. Let's just play another one. So, okay, let's go play the normal one. Oh yeah, I have a new gun this time. I have a grenade launcher, boy. Okay, the grenade launcher sucks. Make sure don't shoot the whole stage because last time I shoot the whole stage I just made a big mistake. Oh my god, stop getting close to her. Die. Wow, I look so suck. Oh, I have a helicopter skin by the way. Yeah. Oh, I just have a voice crack just now. You guys didn't hear it or something? Wait. What? Oh my god. Are you kidding me? Well, we gotta watch it then. What is this? Ooh. It looks cool. Maybe. It looks awesome. These are just building houses. Well, that's boring. I like games that is so cool, like firing stuff. I like that game. And most of all, I like the game that is destruction, baby. Now I'm gonna go to a room. Okay, maybe not. I will not go to a room because it's loud. I just hear my brother shout. No, okay. It was the left one or the right one that it says $1,000. I burped. I drink a lot of water just now, so I burped. Oh, he's lagging. Is it gold? Oh no, you're not. Okay, it's kind of boring. Like Axe, it's so boring, but I don't know why videos and other games it's not boring. But Axe is literally like YouTube, like you're watching stuff. But I don't know why it's boring. But when I watch YouTube, it's literally not boring. Like it doesn't make any sense. Yes, there it goes, $1,000. I can buy this gun that I've been waiting for. Play again. No. I do not want a shield. Okay. Oh. Well, this time I have a bomb gun, baby. Boom. Oh, he knows me, huh? No. You got me hot there. I just wish that my level. Death. So I'm level 38, by the way. Maybe I want shoot, maybe I do want shoot, but I don't want things. No thanks. Okay, I thought the grenade launcher will be so. What? I thought the grenade launcher will be really awesome, but I guess I was wrong. Oh wait, or maybe it is also. Maybe. Yeah, oh, I almost shoot the hostage there. No one kills anyone. Oh my god, they didn't say that. The hostage, you'll be okay. You'll be sent it. There's a way out. You know where is it? I think you know. Just take a left turn and you will see a big hill, and all you have to do is jump off, and good job, you escape. Then you will be translated to heaven or hell. Come on, die. Die already. Give me this thing. What's it gonna die? Die. Every single one. What the heck? You guys see that guy how he died? But that was kind of funny. I can buy this now, right? Yes, yes, yes. What is it? A desert eagle? I should buy that. Well, I guess that's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. Bye.